Good afternoon, students. Today we will discuss about the topic environmental indices. Environmental indices refers to the relative measures of indicators or a group of indicators. The primary purpose of these indices is to simplify data and information so as to make it useful to decision makers and various public agencies. इससे क्या होता है, हम जो हमारे पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट का डाटा और इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट करते हैं सो दैट इट विल बी यूजफुल फॉर द डिसीजन मेकर हु आर इन द REIA team. For a project is at a specific location, the immediate concern will be process its impact on the environment of the place and its surrounding areas. For this purpose, one may use very simple index. This helps to measure the change in the quality and the relative of the baseline water quantity. Similar indices for air quantity, soil, noise level, etc. can be mentioned. But now, many denies to be attribute changes to the project only as there might be some variable other affecting quality or any other aspects of the environment. These problems which are involved by measuring concerned changes in the environment with the project over time. This is called environmental indices. The difference in such changes will assign the project on the environment. Now we can say that environmental indices can be computed in another way, such as for example their formula is given: index is equal to existing quality upon environmental quality standard into 100. मीन्स एनवायरमेंटल इंडेक्स को हम कैसे आइडेंटिफाई कर सकते हैं? एग्जिस्टिंग क्वालिटी ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट मीन जो हमारे एनवायरनमेंट की एग्जिस्टिंग क्वालिटी हो उसमें एंड जो हमारा टोटल एनवायरनमेंट का स्टैंडर्ड था अवेलेबल उसमें जो चेंजेस आ रहे हैं एग्जिस्टिंग क्वालिटी ऑफ द एनवायरनमेंट दैट इज़ मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. दिस इज़ द फॉर्मूला फॉर एनवायरमेंटल इंडिसेस और एनवायरमेंटल इंडेक्स. Sometimes spatial average of quality measures or temporal average quality is to be used baseline denominator. जो डिनोमिनेटर में हम baseline यूज़ करें to determine the concerned quality index of indicator. In this way हम environmental indices को find out कर सकते हैं हमारे फॉर्मूले के अकॉर्डिंग. तो ये हो गया हमारा टॉपिक एनवायरमेंटल इंडिसेस कंप्लीट.